What it do, Hustle Gang? It's your boy Tony, back again with a brand new video. You already know it. Today I'm gonna be picking up this Princess Castle. I'm by myself. I have no help, as you can see, but there's no rush. I'm gonna get to it, guys. Now I do have another pickup that I have to do. I have to pick up the tables and chairs that also got rented out. But the only problem is that one of my trailer lights on the trailer just went out. So I have to diagnose the problem, see what's wrong with it. So I'm not gonna be, I don't want to risk it. I don't want to get smacked in the back. So I'm gonna pick up those tables and chairs probably tomorrow. I just gotta unhook the trailer, unload everything, and we're just gonna load them up on this truck. All right, so that's the game plan. But for right now, we're just gonna pick up this bouncer. So let's do it. Also, guys, if you want to shout out on the next video, make sure to like and comment right here, and let me know if you want a shout out. We're gonna start showing some love. All right, we're gonna return the love. Damn, I don't know why I couldn't say love. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna return back the love, guys. So, damn, how many times did I say love? All right, so we're gonna return. All right, we're gonna return the love. All right, I'm tripping this time. I'm tripping, all right? Oh, well, we're going to show the love, all right? We're going to return the love, so y'all come and look. I don't know what's wrong today, guys. I'm slipping, all right? So we're going to return the love. And, yeah, comment below. Let me be the first one, and let me know if you want a shout out, all right? I don't know what's wrong today, guys. You know what I'm saying? I need a drug test myself. All right? I don't do drugs. All right, so we're gonna get to it, guys. I'm having too much fun over here with this camera, talking to y'all guys, but I'm supposed to be working. So let's do it. All right, guys. So first things first. If you're working on the side of the street, you already know it's safety first. So I already got the cone set up, as you can see. Bam, bam, bam. All right, so I always do it for safety, guys. All right, so let's go ahead and open the trailer. Yeah, I'm gonna get the dolly, the hammer. You know, the problem is today is that I don't have the motivation to move, guys, because I'm by myself. I wish y'all could talk to me, guys, so y'all can motivate me right now. You know what I'm saying? But it's all cool. We're gonna get it done, guys. Here's the dolly. Let me move this out of the way. Yeah, we got plenty of room, so we can fit the Princess Castle right here. So let's get to it. Let's do it. All right, guys. So I'm gonna walk to the backyard, get the bouncer rolled up. But second thing that we gotta get is the hammer. Without the hammer, I can't take the stakes out. Sometimes the stakes are kind of hard to get them out from the floor. All right. Also, guys, very important, a back brace. Save your back, guys. Don't kill your back. All right. So I got that ready. So when I'm ready to lift up bouncer right here on this dolly. All right. Let me see if I can find the hammer. I got a mess right here on this toolbox. I gotta organize. I got a lot of stuff to organize. The warehouse, the toolbox, all the toolboxes. I have the detailing box right here too. So I have to organize so that way when we get another job, we got everything ready. All right. Got the hammer. Let's do it. Oh, hold on. Let me close that window, guys, because I'm going to be in the backyard. So let me close that window. All right, guys, so he already did kind of like a little bit of the work for me, guys. He already put up the Halloween inflatables inside the bag. So that's kind of pretty cool. So we're ahead of the game. Got the extension cord, the inflatables inside. So that's what he did. He just put them up. They won't stay outside all night last night. So we're gonna go ahead and open up the truck so we can just get to the bouncer. All right guys, so here's the bouncer. First things first, I'm gonna go ahead and just take out the stakes. Take out the stakes, get the extension cord, put the blower up, and start rolling. Let's do it. Yeah, it's time for some new steaks. These ones are already bent. Gotta buy some more. Also guys, we're gonna air it up and make sure that we don't have no stuff inside the bounce house before we roll it. All right guys, so now I'm getting ready to roll it up. Everything's good. We took the steaks out, we aired up. Well, I didn't show you that part of the video guys, but yeah, extension cords I already loaded, put that on the toolbox in the truck. So yeah, here comes the good part. Just roll it up and hopefully we can get this out of the way before it gets dark. So let's do it. I'd like to start, well first I gotta bring this slide. I'm gonna bring it this way. And then I like to start from this side, fold it like that. All right, everybody got their own way, but that's my way and I like it. All right, works good for me. So let me get started. Just trying to squeeze some air out. All right, now I'm gonna bring this side. Flip it halfway. All right, let's see what we can do right now. I'm gonna bring this other side, flip it. That's it. Easy. All right. Now, when you start rolling, start off small. Well, not necessarily small, but start off tight. You want to make sure you start off a little tight right here in the beginning. The tighter the bouncer, the better it rolls up. If it's too loose, it's just gonna get bigger and bigger and bigger, and then it's just gonna be hard to move around. You want to have this bouncer as tight as possible. So you want to start off right here tight. All right, I have nobody to hold the camera for me guys, but hopefully I can show you how I'm gonna get how it's gonna look like. All right, so let's get it. see, it's coming out tight. Alright. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the dolly. Yeah, I was talking to my friend for a minute. We was just talking about cars, little projects that we got going on. That's why it got a little bit dark. But yeah, that's it. All I gotta do is just load these up, get the tarp, get the blower, and we're done. We're going shooting straight to the warehouse. But yeah, let's do it.